This Weichert Realtors, the Spiesman Group, property video is presented by Celeste Ukashevsky. This wonderful 3-bedroom 2-full bath open floor plan ranch with views of the mountains is nestled on 6.7 acres of meadows with a border of mature trees. Enjoy the large open field or sneak into the woods where you will find a small creek that borders the property. Fruit trees including apple, pear and peach can be found throughout the yard as well as wild berries. Plant a garden in the sun-drenched area of the yard or add a pool. Convenient one-level easy living boasts a mudroom entrance off the back with a laundry area. The kitchen with island has an abundance of cabinets and is open to the dining room. The large owner's bedroom suite features a walk-in closet and full bath. Enjoy the meadow views from the large living room in the front of the home or relax in the family room. Only minutes from the village of Saugerties and the town of Woodstock. Ideal locations for skiing Hunter Mountain. For more information, review the details below or contact Celeste Ukashevsky at 845-336-2633.